And I've been with triplets, I've been with friends, I've been so long, where do I begin? And to me, you are the star, so still. Even though I found your pretty eyes out in Mobile. Ever since I caught you all that ice, you got no chill, no more. Time. Ain't never try to waste mine. Proved it a million times. Whoa. Linking up. We went and turned together.
What are we doing today?
We're letting the snake go and doing hopscotch after he did it.
Show
Let
him
the
the snake.
go.
You don't know anybody. Can't wait to take you down in private. You know my deepest dark desire. Whoa. Baby, I seen everything I felt you too. You are the best part. If nobody told you, baby, you're pressure. I've been with triplets, I've been with friends, I've been so long, we don't begin. It's me, you are the star, so still. Even though I found you really fast out in Mobile. Ever since I caught you on that.
It's quality. I'll let them know it's an intruder. They think it's an intruder coming. Intruder, intruder. 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 Intruder coming.
Just to show me it's mine. I'm trying to treat it special, like no one ever did. Oh baby, I've been with friends. I've been so long, we know we can. For you. It's me, you are the star, so my soul. Even though I find you really dance out in Mobile. And I've been with triplets, I've been with friends, I've been so long, where do I begin? And to me, you are the star, so still. Even though I found your pretty eyes out in Mobile. Ever since I caught you all that ice, you got no chill, no more. Time. Ain't never try to waste mine. Proved it a million times. Whoa. Linking up. We went and turned together. I always keep you close. And you dressed up for me, but you don't want to show anybody. Super low key. You don't know anybody. Can't wait to take you down in private. You know my deepest dark desire. Whoa. Baby, I seen everything I felt you too. You are the best part. If nobody told you, baby, you're pressure. I've been with triplets, I've been with friends, I've been so long, we don't begin. It's me, you are the star, so still. Even though I find you really fast out in Mobile. special like no one did. My baby skips the nightlife and the sidelines just to show me it's mine. I'm trying to treat it special like no one ever did. Oh baby, I've been with friends. I've been so long, we know we can. For you. It's with me, you are the stars. So my soul. Even though I find you really dance out of moment. And I've been with triplets, I've been with friends, I've been so long, where do I begin? And to me, you are the stars, so still. Even though I found you pretty last out of mobile. Ever since I caught you all that ice, you got no chill, no more.
Walking back towards the house. It's a beautiful day. Hair coming apart. Alright, so we just got done coming back from outside, and I'm gonna do a Q&A with Kai today. So I'm gonna ask him some questions, and he's gonna give me some answers. So let's start with, what's your favorite color?
Pink and purple.
Okay. What's your favorite thing to do?
My favorite thing is to do, I got to release my snake. And we just got done playing outside. Now I released my snake.
Okay, so that was the favorite thing you like to do today?
But I really missed my snake.
Yeah, but we had to let him go. How old are you?
I think I'm 6, but I'm 5.
You think you're 6, but you're 5.
Yeah,
How
5.
old are you?
I'm 5.
5. Okay, you'll be 6 soon. Where are you from?
Houston, Texas.
Nice. And what are some things that you are excited about, being that you are going to be homeschooled soon?
Math.
You excited about math? What are some other things that you're excited about, being that you're going to be at home and not at school? Maybe not waking up early?
Not waking up early and do what I want to do.
And do what you want to do, like, as far as learning what you want to learn?
Yeah, learn.
Okay, that's good. What are some stuff you want to learn?
Math, science, subtracting.
You want to learn a little bit, a lot more of that stuff that you already know?
Yeah.
Okay. What is something you want to learn about first? Like any type of animal or what?
I like zebras and elephants and alligators.
Okay, so
Wait. My favorite thing, one thing is my favorite.
which one?
Eel.
You want to learn about eels?
Electric eel. And some eels are not electric.
Oh, okay.
They have a suction, but one day I watched Animal Planet of an eel try to suck a puffer fish, and it popped up and it didn't work.
Oh, it didn't work, huh? So the eel kind of got the puffer fish, right? Or the puffer fish got the eel. Which one?
The pufferfish don't do nothing.
Oh, don't do anything.
And it just puff up when it see a dangerous, and the eel stand no chance to get that pufferfish.
Oh, wow. Okay. What are some other things you want to
Oh,
learn
I know about snapping turtles.
about? You want to learn more about snapping turtles?
Yeah, I wish I could be an eel or a jellyfish.
Oh, jellyfish.
Yeah, but one day I saw an eel one day I saw an alligator got electrocuted by an electric eel.
Oh, yeah. That's all bad, right?
Yeah, and when I was watching Animal Planet about people, somebody got stung by an eel.
Yeah, people get stung by eels, I think.
Yeah, they don't be doing this in the ocean at the beach.
Gotcha. Other things that you're looking forward to?
Finding bugs, ladybugs, and have you ever heard of the ladybug with a pointy thing at their nose?
No, I didn't know that. Ladybugs have that?
No, some ladybugs don't, and some ladybugs do. They poke out right here, right? Right here, right?
I don't know. You tell me.
They poke out, and then when somebody touch it close to their stinger, they.
I don't think ladybugs have stinkers.
Some ladybugs do.
Well,
And when people get stung by them,
all right. Well, it was nice doing this Q&A with you, Kyron.
thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. And that wraps up today's video with the Q&A. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. So until next week, see you later. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.